Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create an attendance sheet in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and now you want to create an attendance sheet, so this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have created this attendance sheet. Okay, here month, year, and this is the employee name, this is their designation, this is date. Okay, this row contains date 1 to 31, as it is July month, so 31 days. And then here you will see weekdays. Okay, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And then here you will see holiday, present, and then here you will see at the last present, absent, and holiday. This is the count. Okay, if I change any P to A, then you will see change present and absent number will be changed. Okay, so like this you can do this. Okay, so how to create this attendance sheet? So I'm going to show you. I'm going to take new sheet. Okay, and I'm going to create that attendance sheet again. So first we will choose 3 row to create serial number. Okay, so we will copy it from here. You can create according to your need. Okay, so I will start it from here. Control B. Okay, then we will create here, we will write here month and year. Month is July, year is 2025. Okay, now what you have to do, now here I am going to date. Okay, date row. So what you have to do, you have to just select all three, then drag it to 31. Okay, now here you have to select month. Okay, weekday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay, so I'm going to create it. Okay, just 31. Okay, then here we will select all these. First we will select all the row, okay, which contains date and weekday. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to just resize one row. Okay, and you will see all the row will be resized. Okay, then we will create a table. Okay, then we will create a border, and now on Saturday we will, if it is Sunday, we will color it red. Okay, all the Sundays will be red. Date should be also color coded. Okay, color yellow. Then we will create here present, absent, and holiday. Okay, now we will create a table here also. Then if we enter P here, it means that person is present on Monday 1st of July. And if we enter A here, that means it is absent. Okay, the person is absent. And if we enter H, means holiday. Okay, okay. And P means present, A means absent. Now we will create a formula here, equals to count if. Okay, now range, we will select range. So range should be from date 1 to date 31. Okay, now close. Now then comma, then criteria we comma, after comma we have to one inverted comma, then P, inverted comma close, bracket close. Okay, then you will see here 1 2 3 and 4. P means that person is present 4 days of that week. Okay, now in absent equals to again count if, bracket range should be again from date 1 to 31. Okay, then comma. Okay, then here inverted comma, A, inverted comma, bracket close. And in holiday again equals to count if, range should be from date 1 to date 31, comma, criteria inverted comma, H, inverted comma close, bracket close. Okay, so if I enter here A, you will see the absent count will be increased. Okay, if I enter here P, you will see present count will increase. So like this you can just apply this formula to all the steps. Okay, so like this you can create an attendance sheet in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.